How's it going, guys? Butcher's Block here again, and today I've got just a couple little projects I've been working on, and video of the snake I caught at work. Yeah, so it was a little juvenile dugite, and I found him underneath a little like shelf and whatnot. So I caught him and I set him free. So I will put the video in right about now. Yeah, so this is under the shelf where we found him. He's just chilling in the corner. So this, yeah, as I said, this is a dugite. He is crazy venomous, and even more dangerous being a juvenile. So yeah, this is the box I put him in, and taking him outside and putting him back in the bush. He was pretty damn quick. Here's a bit of a closer look. I didn't want to get too close. Really cool looking snake. I would have liked to keep him, but it's illegal to have snakes without a license in my state, and well, pretty much all of Australia, really. Alright, so this is me letting him go back into the bush, and tip him out. Yeah, oh, and he's going back. All safe. So, let's get on to just a couple of the projects I've been working on over this, since we got one is by inspiration of Mr. Chris Capone. Got into the paracord weaving a little bit. Yeah, it's a trilobite. How cool is that? And then, you know, different, yeah, anyway, blocks. So, this is a, oh, focus, a 234-45, and this one has a, focus, a BF Kiwi, and I think I've got them to a nice shine. I'm quite happy with this one. Oh, beautiful. So yeah, it's key retaining. So yeah, really happy with that one. I went a little overboard. I polished everything, like in the shackle holes, all the internal parts, everything. One thing I do want to do is you can just still faintly see the red in the Lockwood. I was maybe wanting to paint it to get it back to its former glory, so it'll look like that. I don't know, I haven't decided on that yet. Alright, the other couple I've been working on is some, oh boy, some 235s. This one's a bit beaten up. Yeah, all brass ones. I love me some all brass. haven't really got him ready to be put back together yet. This guy is just about ready to be put back together. I just need to find either an alternative for the shackle hole, because I think I have some plugs for the for these guys, but the shackle hole is a little bit smaller and proving to be rather hard to source. My local locksmiths haven't been very friendly, not offering any help at all or ordering any parts, which fair enough, I guess. Yeah, so this is another restricted, a lovely brass shackle. I think I need to get some brass onto this, just because I get it really nice with the steel wool, and then it dulls slightly overnight as it oxidizes. Okay, and then this one is a Lockwood 234. So he's nice and shiny. Nice and shiny. You can nearly see my reflection. Yeah, quite happy with those. Quite happy with the lovely clean holes. It's beautiful. So this one, I didn't really realise until I got it open and whatnot. It's only got one locking pole, which is just that guy. Oh, that's undo. Which is just that guy through there. That only goes to there, and that is for the shackle. Only one cut out. I can't believe I never noticed that one before. And as I'm looking at my other guys now, yeah, only got one locking pole. Yeah. But the cool thing about these is I didn't realise is they got bypass plates built into the core. Little slot for them there. Oh. Okay, sorry. Tangent. I've got a question. So this here is a core from, let me see, I got this one, and I've got this guy. This guy's just standard. Oh, that one doesn't have it. Okay, so this one, empty, doesn't have a little slit here. But this one does. That's my status 6 core, I think it's called, and the core that came out of it does. It's got an itty bitty little. I have no idea what that's for. If anyone knows, please tell me. Yeah. So how I got these pins out was obviously watching videos from Mr. Paul Stringett. So he gave me the precise locations to center punch and then drill. So thank you so much for that. That made it really easy to get out. And he said to get one of these, an easy out. And yeah, it makes it so much easier to get these guys out. These little pins. So I had this for a couple of days and I was trying, and I thought it was complete rubbish. But then I realised I was twisting it the wrong way. And when I started using it anti-clockwise as it's meant to be. Yeah, works beautifully. Just so easy. Just, oh man. Yeah. So that is just a little show off of what I've been doing of late. Hope you guys enjoyed. That is all I have for tonight. And everyone stay sane in these trying times, and until next time, hooroo.